friends, hello and welcome to my channel. I am so happy you are here today because we are going to talk about something super duper fun and exciting. It's a festival called Holi. Have you ever heard of this? Holi is this amazing celebration from India, and guess what? It's all about colors, playing with friends, and having the best time ever. It's like a giant party where everyone gets to be silly and happy. Are you ready to learn more? Let's jump right in and find out what makes Holi so special. Holi is called the Festival of Colors and it happens every year in spring, usually around March. People celebrate by throwing colorful powders and splashing water at each other. Imagine this red, blue, green, yellow, and even pink colors flying all around. It's like the sky turns into a big happy rainbow. You can run around, giggle, and cover your friends in colors. What a blast! On Holi, families and friends come together to have fun. They play with colors, dance to music, and laugh a lot. There's also super yummy food like a sweet treat called gujia. It's like a little pocket full of sweetness. People share snacks and say happy Holi to everyone they met. It's a day full of big smiles and happy hearts. The night before Holi, something cool happens. People light a big bonfire called Holika Dahan. They gather around it and cheer because it's part of a story about good beating bad. It's like a superhero tale where the good guy wins and everyone feels safe and happy. And if you want to know more about the story of Holika Dahan, so see our next video about Holika Dahan. And now let's go back to why do we throw colors on Holi? It's all about celebrating spring when flowers bloom and everything looks bright. The colors also mean love, friendship, and joy. When you throw red or blue or green powder, it's like saying, hey, let's have fun together. It's make the world look so pretty. And that's the story of Holi, my awesome friends. It's a super special day to play with colors, laugh with your family, and be happy with the people you love. I hope you enjoyed learning about this festival as much as I loved telling you about it. Now here's a fun question for you. What's your favorite color to throw on Holi? Red, blue, yellow, or maybe purple? Tell me in the comments below. I can't wait to read what you say. Oh, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so we can have more fun together next time. Thanks for watching. Happy Holi everyone. See you soon.